Today, you will learn how to convert image to Word document for free without using the internet or installing any extra software. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. First, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. If you are completely new to Word, don't worry because every step will be explained very simply. Once the blank document opens, go to the top menu and click on Insert. Then click on Pictures. Now browse to the folder where your image is saved. This image can be a screenshot, scanned paper, mobile photo, notes image, receipt, or any picture that contains text. Select the image and click on the Insert button. Your image will now appear inside the Word document. At this point, many beginners think the text is already editable, but actually it is still just an image. So now we need to use a simple trick that converts the text inside the image into real editable text. To do this, go to File in the top left corner, then click on Save As. Choose the location where you want to save the file. After that, look for the option called Save As Type. Click on the drop-down menu and select PDF. Then press the Save button. Word will now create a PDF version of your image document. Once the PDF file is saved, close Microsoft Word completely. After that, reopen Microsoft Word again. Now click on Open and browse to the PDF file you just created. Select the PDF and click Open. This is the important step where the magic happens. Microsoft Word will show you a message saying that Word is going to convert the PDF into an editable Word document. It may also tell you that the formatting could look slightly different, especially if the image has lots of graphics or unclear text. Simply click OK to continue. Now, wait a few seconds while Word converts the image text into editable text. After the conversion finishes, you'll notice that the text can now be selected, copied, edited, deleted, or formatted, just like a normal Word document. You can fix spelling mistakes, change fonts, adjust sizes, and even copy the text into another document. Any pictures or graphics from the original image may also appear separately inside the document. This method works best when the image is clear and the text is easy to read. If your image is blurry, dark, tilted, or low quality, the conversion may not be perfect. So for better results, always try to use a high-quality image with clear text. You can even take a clear photo from your phone and use the same method. One great thing about this trick is that you do not need any paid OCR software because Microsoft Word can do the job for free. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.